They will release Kanu, and once he fell, they see that there's no crisis in the east. Between two of them as a power tussle of election will not hold, and maybe P2B drag for election to hold. And it happened that they see that it did not work. They'll be fighting to assassinate Obi. If they didn't kill Obi, they will try all means to kill Kanu. But where they cannot succeed Kanu is that Kanu is very clever. He's going to leave them. Nothing concerns Kanu with election. Once they release Kanu, it will not take time. Kanu will leave the country. And once you leave the country, the mercenaries that will come in are coming in. He has already trained people. And that is why one thing they fail to understand, that if they kill Kanu in the cell, another greater Kanu will rise that will not take it easy, but they will take it by force. You know, one thing is that Nigerian governments and the presidential seats, they doesn't have wisdom. When you drag somebody so much, you make the person to make a name. Do you know where they fell? For going to another man's country to go and drag that man come and putting him in a cell, they have automatically announced him. But if they have silenced him and just leave him whatever he's doing, people will look at it as a word of a fool. But the extra mile they went is to show the people that what he's saying is true. When people accuses you, speak ill against you, you don't go after them. You leave them. Why will you leave them? You will leave them because what they are saying is not true. It's with time. Time will tell. So Obi should be very, very careful, because I'm seeing assassination. They will try him with gun. They will try him with charm. They will try him with sword. They will try him with accident. This is what they are coming for. Even at the end of this election, listen carefully, end of that election 2023. Before even the 2023, he has already won the election. But they will not want to give him the seats. The seats is returning back to the north. I told you people that saw a very tough war, battle, killings, bloodshed all over Nigeria. Except only some parts in the eastern part. But you see Edo, Delta, even down to this Lagos, they are behaving massive killings and war. They have circulated their mercenaries around, being the northern, I don't say northern Nigeria, but I say northern cities of other continents within Africa that they picked as mercenaries. They must speak out north, they must speak Hausa, but they are mercenaries. They've gone around. I tell you that even Lagos will not be left free. But I say we should be praying earnestly. And that was why I still came back after some time, as the Lord showed me again. Said Biafra is supposed to be a country that will come with war and bloodshed. But the way God is working is saying now, the Lord has to tell you that you should not panic on the coming of Biafra, on anything about war. Biafra will come with easy. They will not war. Some country will just come and sign Biafra. So international body is going to sign Biafra on just easy way, without war. You know why it's going to be easy to be signed? Something is going to come out. I told you this. These are prophecies I've been giving you. I hope I'm making sense. There is two things they are going to discover, and the third one will shock you. In the north, that will make them to say Biafra should go. One is limestone in the north. It had been on set, they've been mining it, but it will be made open. Second one is gold. It had been in the north, they've been mining it, but it will be made open. But the third one now is oil. They will discover oil, as I tell you, and once it comes, they launch it, bam, their mind now will start getting free from anything about the east. I've given you this prophecy September, before my birthday, and I keep telling you even October. That's where these are the things that will come up. That thing will make them, all the struggle that we are struggling to make sure they kill all Nigeria, kill East, to collect their resources, will start dying. May God bless you. So the only thing we should be praying, Father, every crisis the enemy are trying, it shall be over. But you know that even this Lagos you are, they are kidnapping every day. Do you know that the hitmen are in Lagos? Are you aware? Hitmen are here in Lagos, they kidnap every day. And if I tell you where the Lord took my eyes to, where they are kidnapping from, you will be shocked. You see that to Jodu Bridge, one long bridge before you enter Redeem all this area. One long bridge. You see those bush there, they kidnap people. If you park any car, they will kidnap you. The person will pay heavy ransom. So once you are driving, you get to those parts, please, your vehicle break down, lock it, disappear. Where there is life, there is, don't take because of that vehicle you kill yourself there. It's better you have life and buy another one tomorrow. If you can't get towing van at once, look for alternative to disappear from there. If you take it to lock it and begin to run, so when you get vehicle that will tow it, carry it and go there, you put tow it and disappear. Please, any vehicle is carrying you, break down there, leave the vehicle and go. Find the easiest means to disappear. Not until you go to Abuja Road before you hear that they kidnap person. They are doing it everywhere, in Lagos, in Enugu, in Imo State, in all this Oyokwara, Ondo, Ogun State. They are doing it everywhere. Nigeria is not more secure, but God will help us.